Good morning, everybody. I'm Mindy Felinton, and I'm here to talk about diminished capacity and the ethical challenges that we face in the arena of elder law and estate planning, and the different variables that go into diminished capacity. So it's not clear, of course, or we wouldn't be here. It's a very gray area. How many of you go to people's homes to meet with them in their own home? Okay, a couple. All right, I do that. Pretty frequently. I will go to their homes. One of the reasons that I think it's helpful to go to people's homes, they're in their own environment, so they're more comfortable. There are a lot of variables that go into our decisions that we as attorneys make in determining for ourselves whether we think it's diminished capacity or not. Whether because of minority, mental impairment, or for some other reason, the lawyer shall, as far as reasonably possible, maintain a normal, bolded, client-lawyer relationship with the client. You know, I find in my practice, as a practical matter, we just go about conversation, and then if there's something that leads me to believe further on that maybe this client isn't understanding, we explore that further. Capacity versus capacity. So we have diminished capacity, but then we have the legal capacity issues. So that also needs to be considered. Legal capacity to sign a will is different than legal capacity to enter into a contract. Like we have George in our hypothetical who's falling asleep. Well, is that he's falling asleep because he doesn't really care? Is he falling asleep because he's not well? That he doesn't have the mental capacity to stay awake and alert? So there, you know, these are kind of things that we can observe, and I think it's good to make notes of these things. The critical elements to leave you with are really to make the environments for your clients as best as possible, and to not jump to conclusions. Try to treat your clients in accordance with the rule, just as if they don't have a diminished capacity. Thank you all for allowing me to be here, and I'll be available for questions afterwards, and also some of those sites, because I think they're really good resources to use as we go. We will be dealing with these issues more and more, because we all know that that population is growing. So it's going to come up more and more. Thank you.